Let me show you how you can create birthday pictures like this. You can create your own birthday pictures like this without going to any studio. You don't need to go to any studio to create amazing pictures like this. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do something amazing like this for your birthday, for anything. In fact, if you want to edit photos, I'm going to show you how you are going to do it right now in this video. So let's go dive into it. But first, make sure you comment in the comment section of this video, you like this video, and you also share this video so that more people are going to benefit from this video. Now, let me go and show you how you can create something amazing like this with your smartphone. Now, the first thing you are going to do, head over to your Google Play Store, head over to your Play Store, and you search for Pinterest. As you can see, Pinterest. You install this application on your phone. Pinterest, you install it on your phone. It's telling me to upgrade, but I don't want to upgrade right now. It's telling me to update, but I don't want to update right now. You install the application on your phone. Now, this is my own. I've logged in like this. Now, after you log in, you come to this search bar here. You search for birthday. Just search for birthday photo shoot ideas. As you can see, birthday photo shoot ideas. You search for it. Now, it's going to bring you to something like this. As you can see different type of birthday image. Birthday images like this. As you can see how people are taking birthday pictures. See different type of birthday images here. As you can see, birthday images. Now, let's use this one you are seeing here. This one for example. This one for example. The next thing we are going to do is to click on save. You click on this three dot here, and you click on this three dot, it will bring you something here. You click on download. Now you download this image to your phone. After you successfully download this image to your phone, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now go back to where you download app again, and you search for ChatGPT. If you don't have this app on your phone, you search for ChatGPT. This is the app. This is the app. As you can see, this is the app. You also install this application on your phone. Now when you install the application, the next thing you are going to do is to open the app. Now, when you open the app, the next thing you are going to do, you click on this plus icon and you upload the image. You click on photos, you upload the image we got right now. You upload the image. This is the image. This is the image we just got right now. After you successfully upload the image, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to write to ChatGPT, set describe this image in a image prompt. Just something like this. Describe this image in a image prompt, and you click on continue, and ChatGPT is going to give you a prompt that you are going to use to create something amazing like this. So now, as you can see, it's describing the image. So the next thing you are going to do is to copy this prompt here. When you copy this prompt, you copy. Now you go back to where you download app right now, and you search for Google Gemini like this. Gemini, you search for this AI app again. You install the application on your phone. After you successfully install this application on your phone, you click on open. And when you click on open, the next thing you are going to do, you click on create image like this. When you click on create image, you click on this plus icon and you upload any of your image you want to use. Now, let me use one image for example. Now, let me use this image as example. This image you are seeing, I'm going to use this image as an example. Now, the prompt I just copied right now, I'm going to paste the prompt here. But before I paste the prompt, I'm going to say this. I will say use this upload image to create. Then I will now paste the prompt. The prompt I copy, I'll paste the prompt. The next I'll click on continue. Now, when you click on continue, you give it a minute and it's going to generate the image for you. Just give it a minute. You can use this method to do any type of image editing you want to do. Maybe you see any image on Pinterest, you can copy the same prompt. As you can see, this is the image it generated. Now, when you look at this person's face and you look at this face, it's almost the same thing. Now, this is it. As you can see, this is the image. Now, this is what he gave to us. Now, as you can see, it is almost the same thing with the sample of image we saved to our phone. Now, let me show you the image we saved to our phone. Now, this is the image here. As you can see, this is the image we got from Pinterest. And this is our result here. As you can see, almost the same thing. So this is how you are going to use yourself and edit it matching the image you see online, and it's going to edit something amazing like this. Like this video, share, and also